Some plants look impressive right away. Others take time to show their true value. Perennials belong to the second group. They are not about instant results. They are about patience, structure, and long-term beauty. When planted in the right place, these plants do not just survive. They mature, they fill out, they improve the garden year after year. Today, we are looking at perennials that become more beautiful as they age. Plants that gain presence instead of declining over time. First on the list is peony. In the first year, peonies can feel underwhelming. The foliage is modest, the flowers are limited, but as the root system expands, everything changes. After a few seasons, peonies produce stronger stems, larger blooms, and a fuller shape. They become long-term anchors in the garden. Next is baptisia, also known as false indigo. This is a classic slow starter. In its early years, it may look sparse, but once established, baptisia forms a dense, shrub-like mound that stays upright without support. Every year, the structure becomes stronger and more balanced. It is a true example of patience paying off. Third is daylily. Young daylilies can look thin and uneven, but over time, the clumps expand naturally. More fans mean more flowerscapes. The plant looks fuller, cleaner, and more intentional each season. Well-grown daylilies can thrive for decades with minimal care. Next is Russian sage. In its first year, it often looks floppy and unfinished. But as the woody base matures, the plant gains height and stability. The airy flowers become more evenly spaced, and the silvery foliage softens the garden edges. Older plants look lighter, not messier. Last on this list is hellebore. Hellebores are slow to impress, but once settled, they form thick clumps of evergreen foliage. Each year brings more flower stems and stronger leaves. Instead of fading with age, hellebores become more refined. These plants remind us that a good garden is not rushed. The best results come from time, consistency, and choosing plants that grow with the space. If you want a garden that improves every year, start with perennials that reward patience.